What type of animal is this, Marley?
Meow.
A cat, and the cat says,
Meow. Meow.
good one.
That's
Where's the cat going?
sheep.
It's asleep, is it? Is that cat going to bed?
In me.
He's going to bed in there, is it?
Yep. It's in it.
And what's this one?
Woof, woof.
Woof. It's a dog, and the dog says woof, doesn't it? Here it is.
Alan.
Okay, so here's the next one. What's this one?
Mummy cow.
Mummy cow. What sound does the cow make?
Moo.
Moo. What's the cow doing?
Apples.
Eating some apples.
I'll eat apples.
Eating some apples. Okay, what's this animal, Marley?
Down,
Oh,
down.
the cow's climbing up the silo. Marley, what's this animal here?
Pig.
Pig. What sound does a pig say? Oh, that's an awesome pig. I like that pig. Oh no, is the pig going in the chicken coop?
Not pig.
No pig. Oh, who's that? Who have you got there? Oh, it's a little baby pig. And Marley, what's this animal here? Cock-a-doodle-doo. That's the rooster. And what sound does the rooster make?
Baby sheep. Baby sheep.
Oh, there's a baby. The baby is asleep, is it?
Yup.
Where's the rooster going?
Baby sheep. Cock-a-doodle. Eat apples.
Oh, the cockadoo's eating apples.
That's sheep.
What's this one, Marley?
Then.
A little baby lamb. What sound does a lamb make? Oh, good one. Here's the baby lamb. It is a baby sheep, isn't it?
Night pig.
What's this one, Marley?
A bed.
What's this
A
one?
bed.
A bird, is it? And what's that
Beds.
thing? Do you know?
Bed.
Oh, they're in bed. Okay, they're in bed. You know what type of bird this one is?
Duck, duck, duck.
It does look like a duck, doesn't it? Maybe it's a duck. I would have called it a goose, but
Juice.
a goose?
Yep.
Where does the goose go? Where are you going to put the goose?
Sit down, Bobo. Sit down. Sit down.
Oh, he's in his pajamas.